and welcome back to my channel. And as you all can see, my hair is huge, bro. It's huge. Okay, let me get a little closer. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a flexi rod set on stretched hair. As y'all can see, my hair is already pretty stretched, and I achieved this look by using a banding method. And I may or may not have this video uploaded by the time this one releases. So if I do, then I'll insert the link up here, and if not, then like keep an eye out for it. Because basically a banding method is when you apply elastic bands to stretch your hair out, and you get a result like this without even having to use heat. And it's one of my absolute favorites because I do not like using heat on my hair at all. Like maybe once a year I will straighten it. So that's a really good way for me to not have to use heat but still get nice and stretched results, like as if I blow dried it basically. So if you are not subscribed to my channel already and part of the family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and join the family. We are a family on this channel because we support each other in everything. You guys subscribe to my channel, I give you guys good content, so it's a support win-win situation here. So go ahead and subscribe down below and also turn on those post notifications. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna just go ahead and jump right into this tutorial. To start out, we're going to be using this OBI Naturals Twist Whipped Butter, and I like the consistency of this butter, and I make sure to focus it on the ends of my hair, because if the ends of your hair is not right, then the whole flexi rod set will not look right, because it will look frizzy or something like that on the ends. So when you're also doing the ends, you want to make sure that you're tucking them underneath your hair so that your ends are tucked and they won't be like frizzy or look weird whenever you take the flexi rod down. So I tuck my ends first underneath my hair, and then I go ahead and just twist all the way up on the flexi rod and twist it really close to my root so I don't have as much frizz on my root as either. So I don't have as much frizz either. And then I'm going to just go ahead and bend the flexi rod in the opposite direction of the way I twist it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for basically the entire section and then my entire head. And I don't want to use too much of this cream, but just enough to where my hair won't be dry and my ends are nice and saturated. And then I go ahead and follow those exact same steps. And even though my hair was already blowed out, I still went ahead and brushed each section before applying the cream, just because I wanted to make sure that I didn't have any type of tangles or anything in my hair, because we are still going to be separating our hair once we take the flexi rods out. So you want to make sure that you don't have any tangles as if you're doing a twist out or a braid out or a wash and go, just to make sure that you don't have any tangles in your hair. And then once you take them out, it'll be a way easier takedown process and even like more beautiful results. So I went ahead off camera and put the rest of the flexi rods in my hair for the most part, and I just came back and left this one section for you all to see one last time the steps that I take. So I want to make sure that I brush and detangle my hair fully, then apply that cream, and if I felt any tangles, I went right back in with that brush even after applying the cream, because I want to make sure I didn't have any type of tangles. And then as I just now did, making sure you tuck your ends all the way. Guys, that is like the key to getting a bomb flexi rod set, is making sure that your ends are nice and polished, and you don't want them to be frizzy or even curly at the end, because that would just ruin the entire look. So make sure that you tuck those ends. Alright, so we are finally done. This is our victory day. The whole process took me about maybe 1 hour to put them in, so not long at all. So to be separating my hair, I'm going to be using the Africa's Best Cocoa Shine oil, and I just put that on my fingertips so I won't have as much frizz as if I weren't having any oil. And I sat underneath the dryer, a hooded dryer, for about 30 minutes because that wasn't working too well, because these flexi rods are so big I couldn't even fit. So then I just air dried overnight, and once I woke up they were pretty much dry. So I am taking them down in the opposite direction that I twisted them in, and as you all can see, they are extremely springy, extremely bouncy. So that is exactly how you want your hair to be, and make sure that they are dry completely before you even try to take them down. Just don't, if they are damp, guys, just wait the extra time, because you don't want all your time to go to waste So make sure your hair is dry completely once you do take them down. So when I'm separating, this part is extremely important, guys. So if you look at how I'm unwinding and I'm like how the curl don't look right, that's because I was untwisting in the wrong direction. So watch how much better the curl looks once you do it in the right direction. Bam. That's more like it, right? So I'm going to do that in the right direction to that one as well, and now the curl looks way better, right? So look at me, I'm like, yeah, that looks better. So if you are untwisting and you notice that, okay, something does not look right, then it's probably because you untwisted it in the wrong direction. So you still want to do it in the same direction as you curled. So then you get bomb results just like that. So I went ahead and did that for my entire head basically, and I took my time really with these. I just wanted to make sure that because like if you spend a lot of time doing your hair, you need to get good results, right? So just take the little bit of time, the extra time, to make sure that when you are unraveling these, you are taking your time, you're not going too fast, you're not creating too much frizz. Girl, because you spent the time putting them in, so go ahead and just take the extra amount of time to untwist them so they can come out perfect. Whenever I was sleeping, I know some of you are going to ask about how did I sleep. I basically just slept like on my chin, like my chin touching the pillow, and I kind of just like slept like that. It was a little difficult, but it wasn't too hard. And I didn't even put a bonnet on, I don't think. I think I just slept with them like out in the open so that they can dry more. So I just slept, regularly overnight. And as you can see, like these flexi rods came out pretty good. I was pretty impressed, honestly, because I didn't think they were going to come out this well, but they came out pretty good. So I'm happy that my time did not go to waste. Let me know if you're going to try a flexi rod set as well. I'm happy with my results, so let me know in the comments what you think down below. I'm pretty excited, as you can see. So I went ahead and just took them all out of my entire head, and this is what it is looking like. So now we're going to go ahead and pick just to get a little bit more volume. You could also like separate them even more if you wanted more volume. I didn't separate mine as much, but you can most definitely have separated even more if you wanted bigger hair, or even less if you wanted smaller hair. So another way to wear it, if you like hair in your face, you could just pull some of those curls to the front, and then you'll basically have like a little bang. And if your hair is too long, then you can easily just pin it up, so you can still have a cute little bang. But this is a different style for me. I never hardly ever do my hair like this, seriously, like never. But I thought it was pretty cute. Like I actually liked how it looked like this. So yeah, but for me personally, I had wore the middle part because I am a middle part or side part girl. But I do want to try a bang and just like wear a bang and see if I like it. But this is how I basically wore this style, was just like this, and these curls came out really pretty. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, because I absolutely loved it. I thought it was super cute. My hair was so soft and just shiny. And I got some really good results on stretched hair, and this is what the back of it looks like. So this length, I'm like, yes, I got some length with using these flexi rods. I believe that happened because I was using it on stretched hair. So I absolutely love how these results look. And another style that you can wear it if you don't like hair in your face, you can just simply pin it to the back, and this is another just cute alternative where you still have your volume and you still look cute. So let me know what you all think in the comment section down below, and thank you so much for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.